The Xiaomi sub-brand Poco has launched its latest smartphone under X series globally called Poco X8 Pro Max. Now let's take a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Poco X8 Pro Max features a tall 6.83-inch 1.5K resolution AMOLED display, with up to 120Hz refresh rate and up to 3500 nits of peak brightness support. The screen supports Dolby Vision technology for better viewing experience, and it is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 7i on the top. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 9500S chipset, paired with Immortalis G925MC12 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 12GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 256 or 512GB of UFS 4.1 storage. As per the optics, the Poco X8 Pro Max sports a dual camera setup on the rear that houses a 50-megapixel main camera with Light Fusion 600 image sensor, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording, and there is 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with f2.2 aperture. The rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos at 60 frames per second. For selfies, it has 20-megapixel camera under the hole punch cutout at the top center with f2.2 aperture. The device comes backed by a massive 8500 mAh battery, with 100 watts hypercharging support, and 27 watts reverse wired fast charging support. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 16, based on HyperOS 3 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an ultrasonic in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP68 certified for dust and water resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 6.0, GPS, NFC, IR blaster, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 162.9 by 77.9 by 8.2 millimeters, and it weighs around 218 grams. So now let's explore the pricing details of this smartphone. The Poco X8 Pro Max has been priced globally as follows. The smartphone is now available for purchase in blue, white, and black color options. So, what do you guys think of this Poco X8 Pro Max smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.
Yeah.